In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Excel error can't insert new cells. If you try to insert a row or a cell and Excel refuses, the sheet is usually clogged with formatting or remnants that extend far beyond your actual data. We're going to clear those excess rows and columns and let Excel reset what it tracks behind the scenes. First, launch Microsoft Excel on your device. Open the workbook where you're seeing the error. Find the very last row that contains real data in your sheet. Now click the row number directly below that last row to highlight the entire row. This tells Excel everything from here down should be blank. With that row selected, press Ctrl, Shift, and the down arrow together to instantly highlight all remaining rows all the way to the bottom of the grid. You'll see thousands of rows light up. That's normal, and it's exactly what we want. Before deleting, make sure Excel isn't stuck in manual calculation. If you see a setting labeled manual, click it and change the checkmark to automatic. In most versions, you can confirm this under the Formulas tab in Calculation Options. Automatic helps Excel recalculate properly after we clean up. Now, right-click on the highlighted row numbers and choose Delete. Don't press the delete key on your keyboard here. The delete key only clears contents, but it leaves the formatting and other artifacts that cause this error. Choosing delete removes the entire rows and the hidden formatting with them. Save your workbook, close Excel, and then reopen the same file. This quick restart lets Excel reset its internal tracking for used ranges. Next, repeat the cleanup for columns. Identify the last column that actually contains data. Click the column letter immediately to the right of that final data column to select it. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the right arrow to highlight every remaining column all the way to the edge of the sheet. Again, it's fine if a huge block becomes selected. Right-click the selected column headers and choose Delete to remove those excess columns completely. Finally, save, close the application, and reopen the document one more time. With the unused rows and columns fully deleted and Excel recalculation set to automatic, the used range is trimmed back to the real data area. You should now be able to insert new cells, rows, or columns without seeing that error.